Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nine Mentions. Before getting into the video, do the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hope you all are doing fine. Today I have with me 4 products, and these 4 products are a part of a winter skincare kit, and this is from the brand EMM. This kit has 4 winter care products, and the products are there is one face wash, one soap, body soap, one face moisturizer, and one body moisturizer. So this is how the products look like inside this box. So let's talk about these products one by one. So this is the first product, and this is a face wash, a moisturizing creamy face wash, and the 70 ml of product retails for 499 rupees. And this is ideal for people who are having extremely dry and flaky skin. For example, me. I have very dry skin, and especially during this time, during winters, my skin gets very dry and very flaky. So this kind of a moisturizer is very good for people like me. This has oils, butter and vitamins. This is paraben free. This feels very luxurious on skin, and also this declogs your pores and also gives your skin that squeaky clean kind of a finish. So let's just see a demo of this product. This is the second product, and this is a soap, and this is by the name Visigli, and this has wheat germ oil, aloe vera oil and almond oil, and this 100 grams of soap retails for 110 rupees. This is kind of a transparent soap, and this looks very beautiful if you can see, and this has an amazing fragrance, and this lathers also quite well. So yeah, if you have extremely dry skin, and if your skin feels very stretchy after washing face, you can use this kind of a soap. This has glycerine as well, and glycerine helps in moisturizing your skin. Also this has aloe vera, so this soap is very good. So let's quickly see a demo of this as well. This is the third product, and this is the Hydrofill Hydrating Body Lotion. This is paraben free, and this is an emollient lotion. Emollient means this lotion has the properties to soothe and soften your skin. And this 100 ml of product retails for 175 rupees. This is how the bottle looks like if you can see. The bottle is very nice and slender. This has vitamin E, this has beeswax, this has all the ingredients which will make your skin very soft and soothing. Because if you have dry skin, you'll be having itchy skin as well, because dry skin generally itches a lot. So it is very important to use a body lotion that has soothing properties, because that will soothe your skin and won't let your dry skin itch a lot. And I have been using this since I think a week or so, and definitely my skin is thanking me a lot for this. This also maintains the lipid barrier, and I'll show you. This is how the moisturizer looks like. It's creamy white in texture, and I don't know how to describe this, but this fragrance is very similar to a powder, a talcum powder. I never thought that body lotions also can smell like this, like a talcum powder. And also this moisturizer is very nice and very non-greasy and very, smell is amazing is the word for that smell. I mean, I don't have enough words to describe the fragrance, but it's very nice. And this kind of absorbs very easily, as you can see. This absorbs easily, very nice fragrance, soothes a lot. So all in all, I think you should go for this. So this is the first product, and this is the Lipids Skin Cream, and this says this restores skin barrier. So let's see, this is a cream with skin essentials. This is also paraben free. All these products I showed you today are paraben free. This 50 grams of product retails for 220 rupees. shampoo. This is how the product looks like. You have to apply this on your face. You can also apply this on your hands. Wherever skin feels dry, you can apply this. If you have dry skin like mine, your skin must be dry around the corner of your eyes or the corner of your mouth. That are the portions where skin gets very dry. And if you have dry skin also gets very wrinkly. So it's very important to use a moisturizer before it gets too late, before you look old. Yeah, I can't compare anything. Before you start looking old, just start applying a moisturizer if you have dry skin. Okay, so this is how the tube looks like. So let's see a demo of this as well. So these are the 4 products which you can incorporate in your daily life, and you can see an incredible change in the tone and texture of your skin. Your skin will look very soft, very nourished, soothing, and yeah, so your skin will thank you for it, of course. Okay, so that was it. I'll put the link in the description box about each and every product, and it'll be easier for you to find if you want to buy any one of these, or you want to buy the entire kit. It'll be easier for you to find. And yeah, that was it. I guess that's it, huh? I'll see you guys next time. It's another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all. Stay safe.